Hi everyone, my name Andrei Bachmaga. I'm a dental technician experienced more than 12 years in digital workflow. Since 2021, me and my team focused on remote teeth design. And in this video, we will talk about 3 basic recommendations for diagnostic intraoral scanning. For the first, we need to do maximal panoramic scan for upper and lower jaw with high detalization of teeth and gum area across the teeth. On this slide, we see Sirona Prime Scan. On this slide, we see scans from Medit. Second recommendation is export in color using OBJ format or PLI format. Third recommendation is mark occlusal contact points. It will help us to control occlusion by the color on the basic scans, and also we can combine upper and lower and check intersections between scans and color map. It works with any scanning system. And also, one more life hack is export bite scans or buccal scans. We can align them to the upper jaw and we can control the position of lower jaw scans. Here you can see good quality alignment, but here we see that one of bite scans stand in different position. Here we also see good quality of alignment, but here we see problem that one side was scanned on the one position of occlusion and other bite scan was scanned in another bite occlusion position. Thank you and see you in next videos. Bye.